Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I am here all okay, and I hope you all are fit and fine. Today we will start the recap exercise which is given in your book on the page number 58. The first question is write the whole part and decimal part of the following decimal number. So some decimal numbers are given and we have to write the whole part and the decimal part. As I told you earlier, this is the decimal whole part and the digits after the decimal point are the decimal part. So we will write the same. So for this, the whole part is 300 and what is the decimal part? This. And keep in mind, do not write only number 3. Please write all the digits. This must come at the third place. Let us take one more example. This is 971. The number which is on the left side of the decimal is the whole part and the digits after the decimal point is the decimal part. So here the decimal part is 079. Yes. 300 is the whole part. 003 is the decimal part. 971 is the whole part and 079 is the decimal part. इसको आप डिजिट्स को ही सेपरेटली पढ़ेंगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है क्लास आपका, कन्वर्ट फ्रैक्शंस इनटू डेसिमल्स. द फ्रैक्शनल मिक्स फ्रैक्शन इज गिवन टू अस and we have to convert that mixed fraction into decimals. Now for doing this we have two methods. We can do it directly or we can take full steps. So let us write them as the improper fraction first, from mixed to improper. So 4 9s is 36. 36 plus 3 is 39. So your question is 39 by 4. So what you will do now, you will divide by the denominator to the numerator. I hope you all are knowing how to divide. Let us revise once. So 4 9s is 36 class. While you subtract 3, now you have to put the decimal point and this decimal point will shift it upward side. And now you can increase the 0. Class, as I told you yesterday, that you can increase any amount of number you want. आप decimal point के बाद कितने भी नंबर जितने की आपको जरूरत है आप उनको increase कर सकते हैं. तो यहाँ पर उसको full solve करने के लिए मैंने decimal point के बाद एक नंबर increase किया. Now I am going to note down this number. Now 4 7s is 28. When you subtract you get 2. Then because ये आपका full solve नहीं हुआ, we will increase one more 0 and we will shift that 0. ये decimal point हमेशा ऊपर shift हो जाता है. 20. Now we get the remainder 0. So the answer for this question is 9.75. This is the fractional number and this is the decimal number. Here you can clearly see class, the whole number in the fraction is also 9 and the whole part is 9 in the decimal number also. The whole part remains the same. Here the fraction 3 by 4 is converted into decimal into 0.75. So the another way of solving this is keep the whole part as such and solve only the decimal part. Let me show you what you will do. Directly write 9 first and solve only the fractional part. Means divide by 4 only to the number 3. Right class? Now how you will solve it? Because 3 is smaller than 4, you will once put 1 0. Afterwards, you will put the decimal point and this decimal point is shifted upward and you will increase 1 0. Now you will read it as only 30, decimal point is shifted upward. Now 4 7s is 28. When you subtract, you get 2. One more 0 is required. So you will note it down. Now you can write it here as 9. Directly you can write, or 0.75 equals to 9.75. In both the cases you will see your answer remains same. Now this is your choice, class. You will choose first method or you choose the second method. You will get the same answer. Right, class? I hope you understood this well, how to convert the fraction into decimal. Now look at the question number 3. Your third question is convert decimals into fractions. Now in this question, decimal number is given to you and you have to convert this number into fraction. Either you can convert into the improper mixed proper fraction, or you can convert into mixed fraction if it will came improper. Now what you will do, class, here also we have two methods. The first method I am going to tell you, this is directly note down the number as such. Right, class? Note down the number, and in place of decimal, do it like this, that this will be removed. Just like this, removed. And put the 1 under this decimal point. Now count the number of digits after the decimal point. There are 2 digits. So you will write 2 zeros in the denominator after the 1. So your answer will be 2975 divided by 100. Class, sometimes you get the number which is not divisible, which is in the lowest form. But here in this question, you can see this answer is not in the lowest form and the numerator is greater also. So what we will do, firstly we will reduce. So let us cancel this. 2975 divided by 100. Now both the numbers are divisible by 5. So cancel it by 5. 5 5s are 25. 4 will be remaining. 4 7 47. 4 9s are 45. Then 2 is left. 2 5 is 25. Now again these two numbers can be divisible by 5. 5 4s are 20. And this will be 119. Now the lowest form is 119 by 4. Now as this is the improper fraction, now we will convert this into mixed fraction by dividing. So you will divide it. So 4 2s are 8. 4 9s are 36. Now as we have to convert into mixed, what we will do, we will write this as the whole part and this in the numerator and this 4 in the denominator. Now class, you can easily notice one thing, the whole number remains same. The change is only in the decimal part. 0.75 is converted into 3 by 4. Right class? आपका केवल जो डेसिमल पार्ट है वो कन्वर्ट हुआ है और होल नंबर आपका सेम है. सो वी विल नॉट यूज दिस लॉन्ग मेथड फॉर सॉल्विंग इट. What we will do, we will directly write the answer. Now you will ask how. Please look at the second method. This is, see, your number is 29.75. Convert only the fractional part and write this as the whole part. So 29. Now 75. Now because there are 2 digits after the decimal point, you will write 100. Means 2 zeros after 1. Now as it is not in the lowest form, try to reduce it. Both the numbers can be divisible by 25. 25 3s are 75 and 25 4s are 100. You can reduce one by one also class if you want. First reduce by 5 and then again reduce by 5. This is totally your choice. So here your number becomes 29 3 by 4. The same answer as we get here, and this is very short and useful method. But I told you the full method in detail also so that you can understand it well how it happens. Right class? I hope you understood this well. Right class? So do all the questions up to question number 3, and that is all for today. Thank you class. Thank you.